Good afternoon, everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. As you know, my dear students, I am Khushbu Miss and taking your grammar and English. So, my dear students, in previous lecture, we learned grammar lesson number 5, singular and plural. So, today we will go through textual wise. So, before starting textbook, we will do revision of our previous lecture. So, let's start. So, as you know, before begin all the session, I am telling you a thought. Education is the best gift one can give or receive. So, my dear students, from today I make rules for sitting in the class. What you can do, what you must do, you have to do, and what you must not do. So, these rules, if you will follow, you can feel that you are sitting in the classroom. What you can speak in English. You can drink water, take water bottle beside you as you are sitting in the classroom. Ask for help. If you are having any doubt while watching the video, immediately message me on my WhatsApp number and solve your doubt. Work in groups. You can make online groups with your friends to study as a buddy teaching. What you must do? Bring books. You have to bring books. Like you are sitting in the classroom with your bag, you have to sit like that. You have to write. You have to note down each and everything. Listen to the teacher. What your teacher is teaching you, that you have to listen. Then study. Study carefully. What you must not. You should not cheat. If your parents are allowing you to sit separately for the study, you should not cheat. You should not play game instead of study. Listen to music. While doing online education, you should not listen music or you should not do any other activity. Not sleeping and watching the videos, sit straight properly like you are sitting in the classroom. Eating and watching video, that's not a good thing. So, you must do means you have to follow these purple line rules, right? So, let's start. In our previous lecture, we studied singular and plural. So, first we have learned definition. So, let's see. A singular noun names one person, place, thing, or idea. A singular noun names one person, place, thing, or idea. A plural noun names more than one person, place, thing, or idea. A plural noun names more than one person, place, thing, or idea. Singular and plural nouns. A singular noun names one person, place, thing, or idea. A singular noun names one person, place, thing, or idea. Examples: fly, house, box, dream. A plural noun names two or more people, places, things, or ideas. A plural noun names two or more people, places, things, or ideas. Plural nouns have many spelling rules. Plural nouns have many spelling rules. So, let's see basic rule. Singular subjects need singular verbs. Singular subjects need singular verbs. And plural subjects need plural verbs. Plural subjects need plural verbs. Rule 1. Add s to make most nouns plural. Rule number 1. Add s to make most nouns plural. Then adding s to make plurals. Then we have seen examples: shoe, shoes, ball, balls, car, cars, clock, clocks, spoon, spoons, cup, cups. Then rule number 2, Add es to nouns ending in s, z, ch, x, tch, o, double s and sh. What is rule number 2? Add es to nouns ending in s, z, ch, x, tch, o, ss and sh. Nouns that end in ch, sh, x, s or z add es for the plural. Fox, foxes. Rule number 3. When a noun ends with a consonant and y, change y to I and add es. What is rule number 3? Rule number 3. When a noun ends with a consonant and y, change y to I and add es. So, nouns ending in a consonant plus y make the plural by changing y to ies. Cherry, cherries. Cherry, cherries. Y to ies, right? Adding ies to make plurals. See here, examples are given. Bunny, bunnies. Pony, ponies. Story, stories. When nouns end with y, we add ies to make plurals. If there is a vowel before the y, then s is added. Monkey, monkeys. Plural rule number 4. The rule number 4 is connected with rule number 3. When words end in ay, ey, iy, oy and uy, add an s to make the plural. Means if the spelling ends with y and before y there is a vowel a, e, I or o, u. So you have to use s only. You have to add s only. Let's see the example. One donkey, two donkeys. Here you don't need to change y to ies because before y there is a vowel. Day, days. Key, keys. Play, plays. Boy, boys. Delay, delays. Guy, guys. Then rule number 5. When words end in f or fe, change the f or fe to a v before adding es. One knife, two knives. Leaf, leaves. Half, halves. Wife, wives. Life, lives. Hoof, hooves. Thief, thieves. Then rule number 6. When a word ends in an O and comes after a consonant, add es to make the plural. When a word ends in an O and comes after a consonant, add es to make the plural. Let's see the examples. One tomato, two tomatoes. Cargo, cargos. Echo, ecos. Volcano, volcanoes. Flamingo, flamingos. Mango, mangoes. Hero, heroes. Torpedo, torpedoes. Now plurals. Let's see. Some nouns are the same in both singular and plural form. For example, dear, dear. Either you are writing in a singular form or you are writing in a plural form, it will remain the same. Woman, woman. If one is there, then spelling is woman. If only one woman is there, the spelling is woman, woman. And if more than one, then spelling is women, woman. Women, woman. Same in man. When one man is there, the spelling is man, man. If one man is there, the spelling is man, man. And if more than one is there, then spelling will be men, man. Okay. Then person, people. If one is there, person. If more than one, people. Some nouns have different plurals that you have to remember. Child, children. Man, men, man. Tooth, teeth. Foot, fit. Woman, 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 women. Mouse, mice. So let's see summary of previous lecture. Add s to make most nouns plural. Add s to make most nouns plural. Examples: letters, papers, kids, pots. Add es to nouns ending in s, z, ch, x, tch, o, double s, and sh. Add es to nouns ending in s, z, ch, x, tch, o, double s, and sh. Examples: lettuce, tosses, boxes, tomatoes, bushes. Number 3, when a noun ends with a consonant and y, change y to I and add es. When a noun ends with a consonant and y, change y to I and add es. Example: baby, babies, lady, ladies, butterfly, butterflies. So now let's see textbook wise. This is the image of your textbook, singular and plural. Read the words. Countable nouns can be either singular or plural. Countable nouns can be either singular or plural. For example, dog, dogs, dog, dogs, book, books, book, books, lamp, lamps, lamp, lamps. Singular nouns. Singular nouns refer to one person, animal, place, or thing. Singular nouns refer to one person, animal, place, or thing. Plural nouns. Plural nouns refer to more than one person, animal, place, or thing. Plural nouns refer to more than one person, animal, place, or thing. These are the rules to make words from singular to plural. Let's see the table. Words ending with plural forms. Example: singular and plural. Most words plural forms makes with s. Pot, pots. Then if the words ending with x, s, double s, o, sh, ch, or z, then you have to use es to make a plural form. If the words end with x, s, double s, o, sh, ch, or z, make plural form with using es. Now let's see examples. Box, boxes, box, boxes, bus, buses, bus, buses, class, classes, class, classes, mosquito, mosquitoes, mosquito, mosquitoes, bush, bushes, bush, bushes, church, churches, church, churches, quiz, quizzes, quiz, quizzes. Now let's see. The words end with x, s, double s, o, sh, ch, or z. The words ends with x, s, double s, o, sh, ch, or z. All makes plurals by adding es. What you have to add? Es. Okay. Now words ending with y. If the spelling is ending with y, what you have to do? You have to add ies to make a plural. You have to add ies to add the plural. But I told you in previous lecture and today also we revise, if there is a consonant letter before y, then only you have to use ies. If there is consonant letter before Y, then you have to use IES. For example, cry, cries. But if there is a vowel letter before the I, for example, BOY, boy. O is a vowel, so you have to add only S. If the vowel letter is there before the Y in any spelling, then you have to use only S. For example, BOY, boy. O is a vowel before the Y, so you have to add only S. Boy, boys. Okay. Then, if the words ending with F or FE, if the words ending with F or FE, you have to use VES to make a plural form. What you have to use? You have to use VES to make a plural form. So, life, lives, life, lives, live, lives, leave, leaves. Here you can see FE, then add VES. If only F, then also add VES. Some nouns remain the same both in singular and plural forms. For example, ship, fish, bison. Some nouns remain the same both in singular and plural forms. For example, ship, fish, bison. In some cases, the word changes in the plural form. For example, man, man, only one letter change. MN, man if the singular, and if the plural, MEN, men. Mouse, mice. Ox, oxen. Then, note is given here. Some nouns are only in plural. Some nouns are only in plural. For example, scissors, trousers, news. All these nouns we are using in plural only. Now, when we come across compound nouns means two nouns together. We have to change the form of the word carefully while writing the plurals. When we come across compound nouns, we have to change the form of the word carefully while writing the plurals. Note, the plural of compound nouns is formed by adding S to the principal word in the compound noun. The plural of compound nouns is formed by adding S to the principal word in the compound noun. So let's see. Armchair. Armchairs. Here chair is a principal word, main word. Principal word means main word. So you have to make plural of that word only. Armchair, armchairs. Stepdaughter, stepdaughters. Here daughter is a main word. So you have to make plural of that word only. Stepdaughter, stepdaughters. Maid servant, maid servants. See here, servant, servants. Passerby. Here passer is a principal word, passer is a main word, so you have to make plural of that word. Passerby, passers-by. Passerby, passers-by. Mother-in-law. Here mother is a principal word, mother is a main word, so you have to make plural of mother. Mothers-in-law. Mother-in-law, mothers-in-law. When the compound word does not have obvious principal word, add S or ES to the end of the compound word. When the compound word does not have obvious principal word, add S or ES to the end of the compound word. For example, forget-me-nots. Here you can see it is written with a different color. Forget-me-nots. Toothbrushes. Toothbrushes. Women doctors. Women doctors. Here already woman is given in a plural, WOMEN, so doctors. Okay. Now let's solve the exercise. Exercise number 1. Write the plurals of these nouns. Write the plurals of these nouns. So let's solve exercise. Potato. Potatoes. What we have add? ES. We add ES. Potato. Potatoes. es. Brush, brushes, again es. Brush, brushes, es. Then calf, cows. Remove the f and add ves. Remove the f and add ves. Calf, cows. man, men, man. Man, man. Tooth, teeth, tooth, teeth. Butterfly, butterflies. Butterfly, butterflies. See here, y changes into ies because there is a consonant letter. Deer, deer remains the same. Deer, deer remains the same. Baby, babies. Y changes into ies. Y changes into ies. Babies. Then ox, oxen. Ox, oxen. Fox, foxes. Es. Fox, foxes. Es. Dragon, dragons. We add s. Dragon, dragons. Peach, peaches. We add es. Peach, peaches. Es. Grain, grains. Add s. Grain, grains. Taxis, adding s. Taxis, s. Glass, glasses. By adding es. By adding es. Glass, glasses. Louse, lice. Louse, lice. So, let's read all the answers again. Potato, potatoes. Potato, potatoes. Brush, brushes. Brush, brushes. Calf, calves. Calf, cows. Man, man. Tooth, teeth. Butterfly, butterflies. Deer, deer. Baby, babies. Ox, oxen. Fox, foxes. Dragon, dragons. Peach, peaches. Grain, grains. Taxi, taxis. Glass, glasses. Louse, lice. Now let's solve exercise number 2. Rewrite these sentences after changing the highlighted nouns from singular to plural or vice versa. Make other changes if necessary. The bystanders were shocked to see the accident. The bystanders were shocked to see the accident. So let's see the answer. The bystander was shocked to see the accident. The watermelons are very sweet. The watermelon is very sweet. His son always picks up the phone. His sons always picks up the phone. The students were absolutely quiet. The students were absolutely quiet. The student was absolutely quiet. Then his bookshelf is full of books. His bookshelf is full of books. His bookshelves are full of books. Bookshelves are full of books. Then the remaining part of this exercise, the man servant comes every morning. So the maid servant comes every morning. Put 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder. Put 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder. The place is full of mouse. The place is full of mouse. The place is full of mice. Mice. His brother-in-law is a well-known man. His brother-in-law is a well-known man. His brothers-in-law are well-known men. M-E-N men. That book belongs to me. That book belongs to me. Those books belong to me. Those books belong to me. Now let's read the answers again. The bystanders were shocked to see the accident. The bystander was shocked to see the accident. The watermelons are very sweet. The watermelon is very sweet. His son always picks up the phone. His son always picks up the phone. The students were absolutely quiet. The student was absolutely quiet. His bookshelf is full of books. His bookshelves are full of books. The manservant comes every morning. The maidservant comes every morning. Put 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder. Put 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder. The place is full of mouse. The place is full of mice. His brother-in-law is a well-known man. His brothers-in-law are well-known men. That book belongs to me. Those books belong to me. So, my dear students, I hope you enjoyed today's session and understood our topic clearly. If you are having any doubt regarding this topic, feel free to message me on my WhatsApp number. So, my dear students, we will meet in our next session. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.